How to send a document through email on Android. This tutorial takes you through the quickest way to attach and send any file directly from your device. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. After that, tap the Compose button at the bottom right to start a new email. From there, enter the recipient's email address in the To field at the top. Right here, add a subject line and type your message in the body if needed. Next up, tap the attachment icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a paperclip. From here, select your file from My Files, or whichever folder it's saved in on your device. Once you've selected it, you'll see the file attached right below the subject line. Double-check that it's the correct one before sending. Moving on, if you need to attach more than one file, tap the paperclip icon again and repeat the process. Finally, once everything looks good, tap the Send button at the top right, and your document will be on its way. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.